Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn extrude feature of a FreeCAD. So here I have launched my FreeCAD and I will create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. And before starting, let's understand the concept of a body and this part. So body is anything which we made in a FreeCAD, and part is work as a container. For example, I create a body here, I create one more body, and now if I click on the part, then part get inserted in my browser, and now I can simply drag my body inside the part. So you can see that this part is work as a container. So it is your choice, you use this part or not, but it is recommended from my end. It is very useful to store the multiple bodies. So first insert a part and then create a body. Now let's create a new file, and to understand the extrude features I will simply select a body, and now you can see that nothing is visible on our user interface. So click on origin and press the space bar so that datum planes and datum axis will be visible. Now here you will have the options to select the plane. I would prefer the front plane. I will select it and click on the sketch. Now go to the model tab and press the space bar to hide the datum plane and axis. Now to understand the extrude features, I will simply create a rectangle, and I will make it symmetric. So I will select the symmetricity constraint, select this point and origin point. Now our rectangle is symmetric. Now I will select the line, select on horizontal dimensions, give the 200 dimensions. I will select the vertical line and give the vertical dimension of 100, say OK. So our sketch is fully constrained and it turns into the green. Now I will go to the task tab, and here I can see the constraint, and here I can see the entities of my sketch. Now I will close it. Now I will click on the pad. So once I click on the pad, you can see that the pad length, so that here I can give my length. Let's I give it 60. So you can see that it is extruding in one direction only. I can make it symmetric, so click on symmetric to the plane, and now go to the model and on the origin plane. So you will see that now our extrusion is symmetric, and if I uncheck it, then my extrusion will be in one directions. And now I will say OK. Now here we will understand what is up to face and 2 dimensions. So 2 dimension is used when you wanted to give the unsymmetric length. For example, in one directions I want 100 and in other direction I want 500. So you can see that this is a unsymmetric extrusion. Now let's understand what is up to face. So for this we will go with dimension and make it symmetric to the plane of 100 mm and say OK. Now to understand the up to face extrusion, I will on my origin plane and I will select my front plane and click on the datum plane. So here on direction in Z directions I will give the 250 distance. So you can see that a datum plane is created and I will say OK. Off my origin place by pressing the space bar. Now you can see here blue tick symbol, it is for the rebuild. So click on refresh icon or press the F5 from your keyboard. Now I will create a sketch on my datum plane. So select the datum plane and click on the sketch, and now here I will create a circle and select this circle and give the diameter dimensions. Let's see, I give it 80 and I close it. Now I will off my datum plane. Now I will select my circle and click on the pad. So you will see that you are not seeing anything on the screen. For this click on the reverse and from here click on up to face. So here the face I will give this face. So you can see that this extrusion go up to the this face. Here you can see that selected face is a pad F6. So if I wanted to change my face, then I can also select my back face. So extrusion goes up to that back face. Now this is the very basic introduction about the extrude features. So this is all about this tutorial, extrude feature in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching.